In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter purchase invoices in QuickBooks. This is an important task because recording purchase invoices correctly helps you keep your expenses organized, track what you owe to suppliers, and make future bank reconciliation much easier. Instead of waiting until a payment leaves your bank account, entering the bill first gives you a clear record of the purchase at the time the invoice is received. To begin, go to the top left area of QuickBooks and click the Create button. From the menu that appears, choose Bill. This opens the bill entry screen where you'll record the purchase invoice exactly as it was issued by your supplier. Next, select the supplier. In the supplier, or sometimes payee drop-down, choose the vendor that sent you the invoice. It's important to pick the correct supplier here because this keeps your accounts payable records accurate and allows QuickBooks to track how much you owe each vendor individually. If you work with many suppliers, taking a second to confirm the correct one can help prevent confusion later. After that, enter the invoice details. Fill in the bill date, the due date, and the original bill number, which is the invoice number shown on the supplier's document. Try to enter these details exactly as they appear on the invoice. This is especially helpful for keeping clean records, matching documents later, and resolving any questions with the vendor if needed. Accurate dates also help QuickBooks show when the payment is due, so you can better manage cash flow and avoid late payments. Now allocate the costs. In the Category Details section or the Item Details section, enter the appropriate information based on what the invoice is for. If the purchase relates to general business expenses, select the correct expense account under Category Details. If the invoice is for inventory products or services that you track individually, use the Item Details section instead. The goal here is to make sure the cost is assigned to the proper place in your books, so your reports reflect the transaction correctly. Once everything has been reviewed and entered, select Save and Close. This stores the purchase invoice in QuickBooks as an unpaid bill. Later, when you actually pay that invoice, QuickBooks can link the bank transaction to this recorded bill. That connection is very useful because it prevents duplicate entries and keeps your bookkeeping accurate and streamlined. And that's how to enter purchase invoices in QuickBooks.